Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard Junior KG, Subject General Knowledge, Topic National Monuments of India. Students, through this video, let us get acquainted with some of the most popular national monuments of India. So let's begin. Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is located in Delhi. This 240-foot monument is Delhi's crown jewel. Standing tall, the tower was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. The magnificent tower has balconies jutting out on all sides. Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is also located in Delhi. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. This glorious building has 4 floors and 340 rooms. It presents a blend of Mughal and European architectural styles. Red Fort. The Red Fort is located in Delhi. The Red Fort is amongst the most popular forts in India. It was constructed under the leadership of Shah Jahan. Today, the Red Fort is an important landmark and is used for the Prime Minister's address to the nation on Independence Day. Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple is located in Delhi. Inspired by the lotus flower, the design for the house of worship is composed on 27 standing marble petals arranged in clusters. The overall effect is that of a floating lotus flower, symbol of purity and beauty. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built this splendid attraction for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Inarguably the greatest monument in India and certainly the most visited, the Taj Mahal stands as an epitome of love. India Gate. India Gate is located in Delhi. The India Gate is a famous monument in Delhi, built to commemorate the sacrifice of 82,000 soldiers of the undivided Indian Army who lost their lives in World War I. It is impossible not to feel patriotic while walking along the Rajpath, India's most famous road that leads to it. Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is located in Amritsar. The Golden Temple is the main holy place for the Sikhs in India. The temple is built around the Amritsar Sarovar, the holy river for the Sikhs. Its location in the middle of waters makes it one of the most attractive sites in the country. Sanchi Stupa. The Sanchi Stupa is located in Sanchi. This ancient complex was built in the 3rd century BC by the great Mauryan king Ashoka. At the complex you will find many stupas of Buddha made from stone. The complex is known for having the oldest stone structures in India. Gateway of India, which is located in Mumbai. Located at the tip of Apollo Bandar in southern Mumbai, the Gateway of India was built by the British Empire that once ruled India. The Gateway of India offers excellent views of the neighboring Taj Mahal and the Arabian Sea. It is also a great spot for tourists. Let us revise the question and answers. Question number 1. Where is the Qutub Minar located? Answer. The Qutub Minar is located in Delhi. Question number 2. Whose official home is Rashtrapati Bhavan? Answer. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official home of the President of India. Question number 3. Where is the Red Fort located? Answer. The Red Fort is located in Delhi. Question number 4. Where is the Sanchi Stupa located? Answer. The Sanchi Stupa is located in Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 5. Who built the Taj Mahal? Answer. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Question number 6. Where is the Gateway of India located? Answer. The Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. Home assignment. Identify and name the following national monuments correctly. Thank you, students. Happy learning.